Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So we're answering a Facebook question today. Somebody has asked about how you change the font in the category search. So if we just look at the search just here and we go to the search results just here, we can see we've got the category search on the main search results just here. Now, if we want to change the font that's being used in here, we can do that just if we go into our admin area, we go into settings, design settings. When that loads up, we go into the first tab and we're looking for the main design and we're looking to change the body font family. So let's change this to something that we're going to be able to see the letters change. We'll change it just to this one just here. It looks to be a bit fancy. We'll save that. We go back to the front end and we just refresh. And you will see now that the font has changed just in here. Now that is universal across all the body text on the website. So you will see it across everywhere. But that's an easy way to change the font and make the font appear differently on your website, which includes the category section here. So I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.